I was waiting, and then I decided to go and smoke. And then the guys came. I parked my car here nicely, and then I went down there. It's not up here where they arrest people when you go down. So you can come out, at least you take the photo of it.
You want to come out there?
No, it's too hot.
It's too hot. You just leave the AC on. As you can see from here, this is the first one, the first ferry. That is the third one on the other side. The fourth one is.
It's got loads of people in it as well.
Yeah. They do cars, people, but that one is full. Also that one. So this one is waiting for the other one
To lower it up there.
Yeah.
To move up and then it can move up there.
Yeah.
Where do they go? Nairobi?
Yeah.
Do they all go to Nairobi?
This ferry?
Yeah.
They don't go to Nairobi. That is South Coast. They only pass.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, across. Oh, the road ends here.
Yeah, the road ends here. So when you're going to go to the other, to the